Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you how to make this lovely abstract painting with alcohol inks and some of the acrylic paints and also with some doodle. And let's go step by step on how to make it. The colors that I'm using for alcohol ink are pitch black, and there's another color called slate. So those are the two colors I'm using. I'm making on photo paper, which is not very expensive. I got it from stationery store. This is the pitch black color. I'm putting it down. And make sure to use the photo paper on the not glossy side of the paper. One side of it is glossy, you can ignore that and use the other one. So just lay down some black paint here and there, just in random. You don't need to follow any rules, since this is just an abstract painting. And this is the color that I called slate, which is slightly less darker than black. And I'm also using brass for this metallic shade. Just put all the colors randomly here and there as drops and let it dry for some time. As you can see, the slate color is slightly grayish color. So the normal process for alcohol inks is I let all the drops dry first before I add the isopropyl alcohol. And I use isopropyl alcohol 91%. And I'm using a brush to smudge it a little bit. And adding 91% isopropyl alcohol. And this is the slate color again. I think when I used the brush, there was a slight purple mixed in there in my brush. That's okay, but since this is an abstract, you can use any color pretty much that you want. And I'm drying this first layer. I'm not blowing it, just drying initially, so I can add alcohol later. This mini blower, I got it from Amazon. I can put the link in the description box. And make sure to use the dryer from a distance, because alcohol ink is inflammable and it's dangerous to use it very closely to heat. This has mild heat, not a very strong heat, but still I would use it from a distance because you have to be very careful. And if possible, do it in a ventilated room so you don't have to inhale the fumes of alcohol ink. So as you can see, I'm adding isopropyl alcohol to different areas and just letting it blend and take its own shape. You can blow it in any direction, however you want the shape to come out like. So just doing it like this. So I'll let you watch this video and I'll come back again with more narration when I finish this painting and when we add the doodle. So stick around till the end. So here I am using a hand blowing pump that I got from Amazon also. I'll put the link in the description. And basically it's the same steps. You continue to add alcohol and then just blow it. And after the painting is dry, then I'm using some acrylic paint mixed with tiny bit of water, not too much water. Basically, it's just you can use also without adding water and just adding doodles with acrylic paint with a tiny brush. And after this doodle, I'll use a micron pen to add another kind of doodle with micron pen. So please stick around till the end to watch how I make these doodles. And I hope you're enjoying my video, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and refer your friends or in your Facebook groups or something. I make videos almost every single day, and I would really appreciate if I can get the support from all of you.